Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your ChatGPT installed into your laptop or into the PC you're currently working on. You don't have to worry about that. The process is actually not that hard, so let's get started. So the first thing to do is to let's say you have now turned on your computer. You are now into your dashboard or into the home section. So the first thing to do is to look out for your browser. If you don't have a browser, what you can do is to go into the left corner of your start section, and here usually, since this is a, let's say if you have a new computer, you can just tap here web, and automatically will be giving you Microsoft Edge for people who have Windows. For people who have who's working with a MacBook, usually they have Safari. So if you click into the section that says open, just like that, it will be opening you a new element. It will be popping up a few configurations. So in my case, I will be setting up this later. I don't want to be focusing on that. Now, usually what I do is just to go into the upper left corner that has the plus section. And here what I wanted to do is just to type the word ChatGPT and hit enter. Now, just like that, it will be showing you the official desktop section. The official OpenAI download page is chatgpt.com. Now, if you click directly in here, it will be sending you to the most advanced Explore idea section, but you have the Get Started, Sora, Download section, and the ChatGPT logged in. You want to click automatically into the section that says Download. Just make sure that this one comes from this specific source, which is chatgpt.com. You don't want to look out for something that is, for example, chatgpt.org. Of course, this is not the right one, so make sure that you are into the chatgpt.com. So click into the option that says download, and just like that, I have now the download ChatGPT here, download section. I want to scroll a little bit down, and here it is, my download the ChatGPT for the desktop. Here I want to look out the actual element that I'll be using. In my case will be a Windows, so I just click directly here into the Windows tab. And just like that, it will be popping up this new tab where you have now the ChatGPT section where it says download. The other solution that I can give you is that instead of doing all of this, when you are signed into your computer, when you logged in, you wanted to look out for the store of Microsoft. So just click here where it says the home section and just go for store. Here's my Microsoft store. For Mac users, this might be calling the App Store. So here into the Microsoft Store, I once again type the word ChatGPT, and just like that, it will be appearing here, the ChatGPT. So just click directly into this application. Make sure that this one is developed by OpenAI, because this one is legit, and hit into download. In my case, I have already downloaded this, so I just click into the option that says open, and just like that, you have now downloaded ChatGPT. If you are the one that download the ChatGPT with the actual section that I just told you, when you click directly here into the ChatGPT, it will be popping up the download file into your downloads. So if you go back into your file explorer and go for downloads, here it should be appearing the ChatGPT installer. Just double click directly, follow the prompts, and your ChatGPT will be now appearing directly inside here. Let's click into open and let's see what happens. So inside the desktop application, you can now link folders from your PC. So this allows the AI to reference your local files without having to upload them every single time, which in my case, for example, it appears as projects. So for example, here I go for the option that says writing. All of my projects that comes from writing could be appearing directly inside here, and I just drag and drop all of these elements. Just like that, these elements will be appearing directly into my folders. And this is actually how we can actually let's say organize all our chats. So there you have it, guys. You are now ready to get started with the ChatGPT. Whether you wanted to use the full power of the desktop application or the speed of the web application, you're actually good to go. If this application is running slow, you can watch the video on optimizing the ChatGPT desktop for the peak performance. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we can see you guys next time.